Welcome traders, you are watching Trading on Ice. I opened yet another Bitcoin short position, as you can see here on my Twitter account, and we are going to discuss the reasons behind my my short position, why I decided to open it. So let's start with our favorite risk benchmark, the S&P 500. As we can observe, the past week we we saw a beautiful pump on the S&P 500, but I don't think we are out of the woods yet. As you can see here, let me just turn on the short term. As you can see here, we have a consolidation area that might impact our current price action. I would not be surprised at all that although we have broken this diagonal yellow trend line to the upside, and although we are actually trading a bit above the 200 smooth moving average, this red line over here, I would not be surprised that we consolidate a bit further in this area. And actually, if we break to the upside, I would expect some more resistance here around the minus 10% from the all-time high area. I am not yet convinced on a reversal, on a bullish reversal for the S&P 500 market structure. To me, the market structure remains bearish. Okay, we have a high, lower high, and let's see now how this will behave. In my opinion, I will be convinced that the S&P 500 reverted to a bullish market structure when actually we trade above this bigger purple box over here. Maybe go above it, test it, support here, and then we go from there. My biggest But before going to the dollar, let's take a look on the mini futures. You can see already some resistance here. Maybe the S&P 500 will follow. Great. About the dollar DXY, the dollar index. This is my biggest problem on my bearish bias, because the dollar clearly broke this diagonal yellow trend line to the downside. It resisted a little bit on it supported a little bit on this blue line, the 100 smooth moving average. So actually, if we trace as Fibonacci from here to that, we can see that it supported on the point 5 Fibonacci level. So my hope is that it actually really supports here and the dollar go up from there, at least until my position hits my short position hits the take profits. I would want the dollar to continue moving up, but this is the most concerning for me. Anyway, oh, about Bitcoin, for the Bitcoin price section, um, first thing to notice is a little bearish divergence on the daily. So if I put here, wait, what is this? Let's take this a little bit, yeah. So on the daily, let me maximize this a little bit. I have a small bearish divergence on the RSI. Okay, so let's take a look here. While on the price, the price is going higher high, the RSI is going higher low, lower high, sorry, which is actually not very substantial. It's virtually the same level, but still, it is a higher here than here. So this is a potential bear market, I hope. Um, Alright, so for the Bitcoin price, actually, I don't think that our bear flag wasn't validated yet. So the bear flag scenario, we would would resist on this resistance here on the top of the channel, which actually happened. So in my opinion, the bear market hypothesis was not invalidated yet. So the technical bear market, the technical bear flag, the technical target for the bear flag would be about around 13k, as we discussed previously. So I hope this plays out. But yeah, so let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, this is my position. Again, it's a very tight stop loss, but it's okay for me, really. I do expect some volatility, and if this plays out going against my position, it's okay. I'd rather just close it and then take a look later on, and maybe open a new position later on. But yeah, I mean, this is my position. I entered at 23,283.7. We have a nice risk reward ratio of 6.92. Before my take profit, we do have the 200 moving average here to offer us some support. But yeah, if this goes against me, I'd be happy to close the position and then try again later. But if eventually Bitcoin starts to descend, if only to retest the bottom of the, where's my short term, if only to retest the bottom of this channel here, I'll be happy to capture this movement. I don't think this is that of a long shot, because this channel is being more or less respected, right? So, and my take profit is even way above the end of the channel, the bottom support. So let's see how this will play out. I'll certainly keep you guys informed via Twitter, or I can record another video. That's it. Have a great week. Bye.